Igbo teacher, how do one say unfortunately in Igbo?
Okay, in Igbo, if you want to say unfortunately, you say na mwute. Hmm?
Okay.
Example, na mwute, agaghị m abịa. Unfortunately, I won't come. Hmm?
Example, Nangote Akai Mabia. That is unfortunately I won't come. Okay. So what's unfortunately?
Unfortunately is site na chioma maọbụ na nke ọma. Eh? Example, site na chioma, mmiri ezoghị taa. Hmm? Na nke ọma, mmiri ezoghị taa.
Okay. So fortunately means stay na chioma or nankoma.
Exactly.
Fortunately, it didn't rain today.
Yes.
Site na chioma, mmiri ezoghị taa.
Site na chioma, mmiri ezoghị taa. Fortunately, it didn't rain today.
That's good. Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.